Welcome to Horror Phone System Migration Tutorial. I just created third-person sample project for a tutorial you can try your own projects. Open Horror Phone System Project and go for the root folder and click Migrate. It will automatically select all the folders we needed, just click OK. Select the content file of the project you want to migrate. Wait for the process to complete. Okay, we can go back our project. Now we have all files we needed. Open up our player blueprint. Just add our BPC phone component on Components panel. I'm going to set up basic first-person camera. You can skip this part. Now we can set up our animation states for phone idles. Click to our component, then you will see the phone state changed event and click on this. Now we have our event, we need to update our ABP. Get your mesh component and call get a name instance inside mesh component. Then call set phone state function. I will select the character mesh inside the Horror Phone System because it will have all phone sockets that we needed. You can create own phone sockets. Now I'm going to select the Horror Phone inputs to take phone input. Then I will set the other inputs like move and look. I didn't change move or look settings, just uses the IMC. Now we have inputs and phone. Next, we will set the animations. Open up your ABP and follow my steps. We need to add our BPI phone states ABP interface. Then we can set up our event. Now open the ABP example player, then copy and paste some of the codes. Copy this code and paste into our ABP. Now we will create our phone state layer. Copy all of the code except use cached base pose nodes. Then paste into our ABP. Place our layer right here. Finally, our animation states working. Now we can use phone events actor. Our event's working perfectly. Now we need to do activate save system into project settings. Go to Maps and Mods and select our game instance. Now we successfully migrated the phone system. Thanks for watching.